Allahumma shfi kulla marid. We have all heard of this. Oh Allah, cure everyone that is sick. Normally we take sickness as something evil and we do everything to protect ourselves from it. But what if I told you not every sickness is bad? Some are actually good for you. For instance, the common cold. You get a running nose, sneezing and coughing every time, difficulty in breathing through the nose, and at times you even lose the ability to smell or taste. Someone came to Imam Sadiq alayhi salam complaining of the same thing, and he told him, it is one of Allah's creations and one of his armies. He sends it against an ailment in your body to remove it. If you are able not to treat it with anything, then do so, for it contains many benefits. So next time you catch a cold, don't rush to the pharmacy. Let it run its course and allow your body to fight it independently.